Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I want to show you this 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 1600. This is quite a touring bike right here. It's got some nice upgrades on it. Nice paint. It's kind of a champagne and black with the orange and red trim stripe on it. It's got good tires. Don't see any oxidation and corrosion on this bike. Looks like it's been very well taken care of. Upgraded with windshield. It's got the engine guard with the highway pegs here, passenger floorboards and rider floorboards. It's got the hard bags back here, all lockable hard bags. This bike's been upgraded with Vance & Hines exhausts. It's got a nice passenger backrest here, very comfortable looking backrest with a luggage rack. It's a liquid cooled 1600cc V-twin with a 5-speed, and this bike is a shaft drive. See if you can get down there and see that, maybe from the back. Oh well. Got a really nice, comfortable seat on it. Upgraded with these nice hand grips. It's got the little cup holder there. The bike's got, let's see, 28,650 miles on it. The thing runs great. I'll fire it off for you. Got a real nice sound to it with those Vance & Hines exhausts. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888 and they can tell you all about this bike. Or go online and see our complete inventory of motorcycles under $10,000 at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this Kawasaki Vulcan 1600 to you. This is Gino. Thanks for looking.